Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a OnePlus 12R and let me share with you how to clear the browser on this device. So let's start with opening the browser. In my case it will be Google Chrome, but basically this operation is pretty similar in all other browsers which are commonly used, so I'm pretty sure that you will be able to find out how to do it in your browser. So as I said, let me open it, and all we have to do right now is to tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner. So here you can either perform a really quick and easy clear browsing data option, and basically it will remove really basic browsing data. But if you want to advanced options, simply tap on the history and tap on clear browsing data. Here we've got, as I said, basic and advanced options. In basics we've got browsing history, cookies, SA data, and cached images and files, and those are the options which you can remove in the previous way, so this quick way in the settings. And the advanced options are saved passwords, autofill from data, and site settings. If you want to remove something, make sure that it is marked, so I will remove everything. You can change also the time range from last hour to, for example, last 24 hours or even all time. It's up to you. So after choosing the time range, simply tap on clear data, and as you can see, the history is empty, which simply means that we just successfully removed the browsing history. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.